Kerrie, congratulations. You've been awarded Principal of the Year. And to celebrate, I want to make you this delicious recipe that I love. It's a Moroccan tagine dish using lamb shoulder, apricots, dates, and loads of saffron through it.
Oh, I'm so looking forward to it, absolutely. It's really joyful. It's great working with young people with autism, and this award is simply the icing on the cake.
Well, what an achievement. I hope you enjoy it. Kerrie, this is one of my favourite autumn dishes. We've got this beautiful cut of lamb shoulder here. The excess fat's been trimmed off and we've got it in about 5 centimetres in pieces. Now you can ask your butcher to do it, otherwise if you've got a sharp knife at home, you can do it yourself. To start off, we're going to use this Moroccan spice blend. In Morocco, it's known as Ras el Hanout.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, anything between 25 or 27 spices are in this. Into that, I'm going to add some ground ginger and salt, some good olive oil, our lamb cubes. Mix that lamb really well. While I'm doing this, Kerrie, could I get you to peel 2 onions for me?
Absolutely.
So Kerrie, just tell me, what makes Giant Steps so unique amongst other schools?
I think learning has to be hands-on, particularly with autism.
Yeah.
So we have some really unique programs, and one of those programs is outdoor education, particularly for our young adolescents who have got energy to burn.
Yeah.
And so we started off very small, doing little bushwalks, and we saw that our young people really enjoyed it. So we then began to extend that to the point where they could go for a 10-kilometre bushwalk, camp overnight, and then walk out the next morning. And that's going very, very well.
I think it's such an innovative idea. It's not just all within 4 walls of a school, it's also the outdoor learning experience. Sounds great. All right, I've marinated the lamb, Kerrie, as you can see here. We're using a tagine, of course, for this dish. We're going to brown off this lamb first, and that's what you want to hear, that sizzle.
Oh, they look great.
If you don't have a tagine, you can use a heavy base pan, and you can also even, once you've done this browning part, you can then pop it into the oven covered. So as a principal, are you pretty much stuck in your office most of the time?
No, it's not my style to be sitting behind a desk whatsoever. So dress-ups are a great thing at Giant Steps. And one of our children had real trouble taking tablets, but would take a tablet off Teletubbies. So dressed up as a Teletubby, which was such a fun thing to do.
I completely get what you're talking about. I work with kids. I'm a paediatric nurse. So whatever works and whatever does the trick, you do it. So these are starting to brown, as you can see. So we're going to flip these over, and then we're going to add our onions, our cinnamon sticks, the saffron, and last step now is the vegetable stock. And then we'll drop it down to a really nice gentle simmer for about 2 hours. Oh, so not too many ingredients.
No, there's very few, isn't there?
So the next part we've got to do is the fruit compote. Dried apricots, about 1/2 cup. And we're going to use some of these beautiful dates, and we're going to pit these, of course. Great. So with Giant Steps, I hear the Parramatta eels were somehow involved. Can you tell me more about it?
So the Parramatta eels are terribly inclusive of our children. They're attached to a class on a full-time basis. And these guys are really sort of physically capable.
Yes.
So we will go surfing, we will go paddleboarding, and some of the children have run the ball onto the ground, and it's just lovely.
The kids don't really have a choice of who they support now, do they?
No, we're all Parramatta eel supporters, I've got to say.
So the fruit compote's actually going to add that lovely sweetness to this whole lamb tagine dish. Going to add in some ground cinnamon, Moroccan spice blend, a bit of water, and to top it off, a bit of honey. And then we'll pop this onto a high heat, and it'll become really nice and thick and syrupy.
Oh, beautiful.
So we'll add our compote into the tagine. So about 15 minutes uncovered, and we want that bubbling away.
It smells great.
I think it's time to plate up. You can see our lamb, it's so nice and tender. It's absorbed all those juices. I hope you enjoy it, and congratulations on your award.
Oh, thank you so very much. So delicious. And the dates and the apricots are just sensational.
It's been a good day.
It's been a good day. Cheers to the lamb. Cheers.
Cheers.